just came out of the red zone.
No, but go upstairs. See you later. Okay.
Oh,
Go this way. Thank you.
get past that next candle.
Let's get it. You got the peach cobblers?
Oh, T.Bot.
Okay, try. Peace. What's up, everybody? Let me know if my audio good. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Yeah, let me know if you can hear me. Let me put on my You good? Okay, thank you guys. Cool. All right, well, let's go ahead. I'm gonna share my screen. Hopefully the lag ain't too bad. I think we should be straight, honestly. Let's go ahead and get this thing going. All right, cool. Peace, family. What's up, y'all? All right, cool. I got turn off these indicators for a second while we get ready. Did NASDAQ ever come back down, bro? After earlier? NASDAQ? Oh, it did a crazy note. That joint consolidated at the top. Played a lot of people, huh? All right, cool. I'm glad we stayed out. Well, kinda. You kinda got up in there, right?
Yeah, yeah. I hopped in there a couple times.
Okay. Get up out of here. All right, cool. So where my Asian session traders at? Let me know if you ever traded Asian session before. It's a little tricky. That was crazy. I could have hopped. Yeah, that NQ trade would have been a beauty for the day. If we would have jumped in that.
Yeah.
At 9:30, we could have been done right there. The video went crazy. Yeah, right at that 9:30 candle, because as soon as the market opened, that joint went in. And it was the hypo played out perfect. I said, yeah, if it bounced here, we good. I didn't think it was going to do it at 9:30. I thought it was a fake out. It was real fundamentals behind that. But we did catch this beautiful Dow Jones, that long wick. Look at that. Everybody check out that wick right here at 9 o'clock. That was a beauty, but that was based off of NQ. So because if you notice, watch this right here. Let me see if this works. Boom, yeah, so that red dotted line right there and then that red dotted line on that side over there. So on the left, you got NASDAQ, and it shot up as soon as the 9:30 bell opened up Eastern time. Well, meanwhile, on this side of things, Dow Jones shot down for the first 30 minutes. But we knew that this long wick right here was all just temporary. So if NQ shot up, NASDAQ was not going to be far behind it. And it took a lot of those wins too. So as this started rolling up, we was able to jump right in and then just catch it back up here towards the top. So we caught that during the live stream earlier today. Over and over again. Actually, we got 2 trades on it. The third one jumped out at break even. But this one right here, these 2 trades was beautiful. It had the pretty obvious drawdown right here. Not even drawdown, but just that resistance right here, this blue area. So that's why we got out for a second and got back in once that area broke. But we could have held the whole time. Okay, cool. What we looking at, Nostalgia? We still checking it out. We're still checking it out. So I'm about to see what these Asian session candles looking like. I'm trying to get everything on a 1 hour time frame just to see what's moving. Check out these moving averages. Just get an idea where we at right now in this market. So boom. NASDAQ still floating. Dow Jones did end up coming back. It did a nice pullback down here. So I would love to see it start to recover. If we could see a bullish engulfing, that would be great. But it looked like it was coming to fill this gap over here or something. So let's go up now and let's see what these other pairs looking like. We got gold as well. We got oil. We got UJ to check out. UJ is a good one to check out today because it's the Asian session. So Japanese yen usually move around that time. So we're going to check that out here in a second too. Gold, yeah, gold did what it did last week. It consolidated at the floor for a minute, broke up just to like not go all the way to the top, consolidate a little bit more. And then it just lost steam. So gold is still trending. It's still in a good zone. We're just waiting for the volume to come in. So I like that right there. So the breaker structure did happen. That was good. So we made a little bit of money on gold. Made a little something. I didn't get to sit around and watch it because we had to jump off of the stream. That was at by 1 o'clock. Yeah, it took too long to get there. So right here, we're waiting for the bullish engulfing. I'm going to check out another pair over here. That would be great. But we know how this goes. This might do another pullback first. I wonder if it wants to do, we got to wait for it and see, but this may want to do another, like a double bottom down here before continuing up. So if gold starts to just drop suddenly, I won't be surprised. I won't be surprised if it just starts to pull back even more. But the momentum should come right after that. So Craig, you was talking about this is gonna shoot up. That's what you was talking about. Gold. Yeah. It could. And maybe after this 8 o'clock. What time Asian session over? 8? What time it start? 8?
Yeah, it starts at 8.
Look like we still in
It's
that.
at 5.
Okay.
So it's the Asian and the Sydney right now.
Okay. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, if it's gonna go back up to that area.
It was, yeah, if it was gonna go up to the 200
Oh yeah.
EMA, it got close to it though.
Okay.
One, two, three, four, four candles. Candles up. So there's six candles
All together. Okay.
see it?
Mhm. So you got the. You want to scalp up to the top or catch it as it come back down? Yeah.
It's kind of down now
It's
already.
coming back down.
It's already down a little bit. It's like in that box, that trap box right now. It wasn't. It was just making those what you call those low lows, low highs.
Lower highs.
Yeah.
Yep.
Only 1 minute. It's not really breaking this. It's 24, 30.7.
Hmm.
Are we looking at the same thing?
No, I ain't there yet. I'm trying my chart moving slow.
My bad.
Dang, look at
That's
that.
nice. That's nice.
That was a beautiful trade right there. It's about to do it again.
Yeah.
Asian session just kicked off too. Let's go. UJ. They got Japanese yen. I mean, Japanese future. Cup and handle. What we looking at? Cup and handle. Another cup and handle. Yeah, definitely saw that. I've seen a lot of action with these indices during Asian sessions lately. Okay. Yeah, I see the cup and handles too. Y'all right about that. Hold on. All right, let me my computer moving kind of slow. Let me shut some stuff down. Peace to the tribe, yo. Okay, we got a nice little group of people on here. So tell me, quick question: if the evening sessions is better for you because of work or something like that, type of 1 in the chat below. I know a lot of people can't make it to the morning sessions. I do respect the commitment of people who do make it though. Even the people who got work still make it happen. Like that's what's up. But yeah, let me know who on here like only could do the evening sessions. We're trying to see how many strategy streams we should do in the evening. Yeah, let me close down some of these browser tabs. One. Whoa, that's a lot of ones. Hold up, y'all. Y'all serious, huh?
Whoa, they said what?
They said the one night the 1 p.m. works better. I mean, excuse me, at night works better. Evening. All right, we're going to have to do some more evening sessions for sure. I could do both, to be honest. Okay, nostalgic. I could do morning, but it's hard. I'm just letting y'all know it is more money in the mornings. That's why I do mornings, because that's when I really trade. But it'd be some nice setups in the Asian session that we can at least look at and see if it don't play out by, like overnight. It may just warm up overnight and then be ready by the morning. So you could look at something and you could put a signal in before you go to sleep, right? That's one idea. You can literally put a trade in at night, go to sleep, set it, forget it. And then another option is do your markups like we about to do right now, and then wake up in the morning and see where it's at. Like, so for example, this gold, I would love to see gold come down here. If it comes down, a little bit more, that's going to be like a real good ideal setup, because I'm going to imagine that it's going to do the same thing it just did over here. What it did this morning, it came down here and at about 10 o'clock, it started shooting up. So I would expect it to drop again. And once let's say I wake up in the morning, I see it starting to rise, I'll jump in. So that's called a hypothesis, when you predict what's going to happen. Not like I'm jumping in and predicting it's going to go up. No, like you kind of like chess. You got to think a move ahead. So you got to think of it like, okay, the market's going to go here and then I'm going to go there. Okay, so think of it like that. Like wait for the pullback and then that's my trigger to get in. Don't just wait for it to be going up or something like that, because that may not be, unless you saying I'm waiting for it to go up and then I'm going to catch it as it comes back down, something like that. So yeah, for the evening session people, it's definitely ways, it's options. You could set it, forget it. You could find trades tonight, right? We about to do a little session right now, so hopefully I could find me a little trade tonight. If not, I'm just gonna be setting up for a trade first thing in the morning. I've also been waking up kind of early during London session, so 3, 4 a.m. So if you up at that time, you can find some real good setups, 3, 4, 5 a.m. Eastern time, because that's 8, 9 a.m. London time, and they markets just be kicking it, just be getting started. All right, cool. So UJ is shooting. What's it? You look? Did you look up? You can't find it. All right, let's look it up.
In the chat, but I mean, I'm getting charts, but they all choppy looking.
Yeah, ain't what you want. You need that right joint, right? Okay, hold up. Um, this is 6B. My computer is slow. British bonds. Oh, a 6J. There it is. 6JM 2024. So yeah, that's the Japanese yen. Let's check that out too. Is it going down?
Yeah, it was that.
Okay. All right, bet. Mhm. All right. I'm about to tonight. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna go one chart because I think the streaming ain't liking all these charts at once. I'm not on my Ethernet right now, yo. I've been plugged in the Ethernet getting top stream. That might have to be mandatory. But we good for tonight. We gonna make this work. Trying to move this up higher on my list. Well, let me just look at it first. Let me just see if it's ready. Yeah, that look nice, bro. Yeah, that look nice. We get a little pullback action there. So right now it's at this floor. So I will zoom out first, see what we see on this. Definitely gonna tap this area. Tap down here too. Okay. Tapped up here. Tapped up here. So what do we have here? And this is going. Look at that. Whew, that was back in May 1st. That market shot up in a crazy way.
Nice wedge.
Mm-hmm. Look like it's trying to lead that wedge. Head down to that flow. That'll be great. That look like a no-brainer. It's probably no-brainer. Yo, that look good. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Instead of selling it, forget
Not even during the Asian session. This might hit tonight. Yo, dang, we just missed some signals on there too. T.Bot called one. Oh, that was last night. So yeah, one more pullback would be great. One more pullback, but honestly, it might be good. I don't think it's gonna go back above to yesterday's high. So yeah, you put your stop loss above yesterday's high and try to ride it down here. That's 1.2. That's a set and forget it. It is. That's set it. Go look at another chart. Come back. That should be some money. Okay. I'm talking to my homie Craig. This is not financial advice. This is educational. I'm not a financial advisor, but seriously though, look at these moves. Look at these signals.
What time frame was that? The signal.
It's the hour signals. So if you can if we get a pullback into like the EMA 20, EMA 9 one more time, and then catch a drop, that would be great. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna set me an alert like somewhere up here. on this little line, because if it can come back up there to that line, I'll feel real good about looking for entries.
There's one say it's in the red zone.
Just tell me where to be. Got you, Brandy. What platform is connected to TradeStation for futures? So TradeStation, you could trade futures on there, or you can on TradingView, you can connect your TradeStation account. Does anyone know any platform that will allow trading for crypto using leverage? Yeah, it depends how much leverage you're looking for, but you could look into, I believe Binance, and then also, what is it called again? Alpaca or Alpaca. So you can add funds to TradingView. You have to add funds to add your broker and then TradingView. Yeah, yeah. So like he said, Magic said, add it through TradeStation. You just never traded futures. Okay, cool. No, we about to kick off a like a futures 101 weekly session. So if you wanna learn some basics of futures, we can help you out with that. Okay. 1 second. I don't think I'm getting a good stream. 1 second, family.
You get your stuff out of that red zone.
Oh yeah, it's that time. Yeah, I think it could just drop too, but I was expecting like a nice pullback first. At least a push above the top. Yeah, I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna still wait it out. Let me see. I might switch. Let me try to go to dark mode real quick, y'all. Change this. I ain't liking these colors right now. They ain't the prettiest either, but yeah, them signals would have been dead on point. Oh my
30
god.
minutes too.
Or on 32?
Nice.
Hmm.
You going to 5 minutes too?
Yep. Okay, cool. All right, 1 second. Let's do a quick stream health test. I'm about to just say a number. I'm about to say a number real quick, and then I just want you to repeat that number. 3. Type 3 in the chat. Yeah, that was way too long. Okay, yeah, that was way too long, family. 1 second. Let me see if I could. Okay, I think we're good now. All right, type a 2 when you hear this message. Type a 2 when you hear this message. I think we should be straight. All right, cool. Yeah, thank you. That was way better. Okay. All right, cool. So I'm gonna keep my eye on the yen. I know I'm waiting for a pullback on that. I would take that, especially because it's Asian session, and that pair or UJ usually do move around this time. So I'm gonna keep my eye on that. NQ, I'm not liking it. It's consolidating. I would need to see it make a nice move first. It's Asian session, so it may not do too much, but it do move sometime during this time. So we'll see. We'll see. This dropped crazy yesterday, but it's still waiting and consolidating in this Asian session. So we'll come back to it, but I don't think it's nowhere near ready yet. This is the Dow Jones. Same situation with gold. Same. It's looking good though. I feel like all of these are looking great. We just gotta wait it out to see who's gonna make a move first. We gotta see who's gonna make a move first. Okay. I'm gonna keep looking around for some other pairs as well. I'm gonna see if something else moving. But I really like this yen. I need to see it come back first. Okay. Okay, still getting audio issues. It's okay. I know what to do.